Right, responsive hypnotherapy or responsive therapy. This is a step down from the Flourish Programme. In fact, the Flourish Programme went up from this particular system. It still works enormously quick, enormously fast, but it depends much more on clinical hypnotherapy. Just about all the work that's done in the responsive way is done in a trance. Now, I need to explain to you, first of all, it's a very light trance. You can open your eyes at any time. I cannot make you say, think or do anything that you don't want to do. I can't make you bark like a dog or cluck like a chicken. Well, unless you pay me to do that, and I'll happily make you look an idiot. But actually I wouldn't. I take my work far too serious for that. It's a light trance, and I'm not throwing suggestions at you or zonking you out. You could open your eyes at any time. You could get up and walk out at any time. But what I will do is take you through a series of scenarios that are planned individually to you. I don't read off scripts like other hypnotherapists do. Oh, dear me. One size fits nobody. Sorry, one size fits somebody. I tailor everything totally individually to you. I do not go back and analyse why you've got the stress or the anger. If you know it, you know it. If you don't know it, do you need to know it? If you do need to know why you've got the stress and anger, don't come to me. Because I'm not going to go back in time. I'm not going to waste my time nor your time going back to analyse it and find out why you feel these things. Because once you've gone back and you've found it, you've still got to deal with it. So let's just deal with it so that you don't feel the stress, you don't feel the anger, and you let go of those things. And then what happened in the past really does not matter. And I know there's going to be a lot of people out there, oh yes it does. Well, if it does, I am not your man. I am about going forwards, not backwards. Okay, I'll say that again. I'm about going forwards and letting go, not backwards and talking about it. I don't do that anymore. I've done it for years. And most of the time you talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, talk about it, and it doesn't really go anywhere. It sort of stays put because you're just talking. I'm proactive. I make you make things happen. Well, actually I don't make you. I encourage you to make things happen. And many, many people can let go of all sorts of things in a very, very short space of time. Sometimes if it's just one thing that's a problem, it can be shifted in a couple or 3 sessions. Other people might take longer, the more levels of stress and things that's causing that stress. But it's a light form of interactive hypnotherapy. You're not zonked out. You're not in my control in any way, shape or form. You remember absolutely all of it and you can enjoy the benefits from after the first session. It's that powerful, it starts to make changes from the very, very first session. Now, I invite everybody in for this half-hour free chat, or maybe I should call it a free consultation, where I find out a lot about you, work out an individual session for you, that first one, and then we take it from there. So just give us a call, 01322 521011. Get yourself booked in for one of those free half-hour consultations. Let's discuss your stress, your anger, and see what we can do about it. Let's eradicate it together. Let's take you to a stress-free, anger-free life. And what I should say is, though, it is normal to be stressed. It is normal to be angry. So I can never guarantee that you'll never get angry again, because nature makes us angry. I can never guarantee that you'll never be stressed again, because we need stress. The difference being is, this stress, this anger, you will be in control of. you will be in control of. You won't be losing it. It won't overpower you. It won't overwhelm you ever again. Give us a call. I can explain much more seeing you in person.